Hello, this is Ron Gardner, the Educational Technologist at Gordon Elementary School. The first of the two videos I'm going to make today will show the kindergarten through second grade teachers how to download the QR codes that their students can use with Clever. So I'm on our school webpage now, and as we get into quick links, you'll notice this is a new quick link, the Clever badge login. That's what the kids will use with QR codes. And teachers and staff and 3rd to 5th graders still use the Clever login. So I click on that, and I have logged in as Miss Edget today simply because she has a teacher view, whereas I don't. So I'm going to change over to classes, and I'm going to click on reading, and here it says download a class set of badges. And simply going to save them to the desktop. Folder so that we can see it, and this is what they look like when I bring up my screen. So it has the kids' names on them and a QR code. And that's simply all you have to do, so that'll be the end of this quick little video.